Welcome to video class. Let us start craft session. So students, take page number 15 of your craft book and be ready with colors, scissors and glue stick. Take page 15. Yes. So page number 15's craft is divided into 3 steps. How many steps are there here? 3 steps. Look at here. First of all, what we have to do? We have to color this strip. See, pink, violet, pink, violet, pink and violet. Like this way, we have to color the strips. Then turn the page. Yes, this is our second step. What we have to do here? We have to cut this duck and the lotus. And in the third step, we have to stick here the cutted portion. See, the portion which we have cut, this one we have to paste it here. Understood or not? Yes. So, let us start from step 1, that is on page number 15. So, what we have to do here? Here there are 6 strips. First we have to do pink color, then violet, then again pink and then violet. So start doing it. Start from here. What will come first? Which color? Pink color. First of all, let us draw this outline and then we will fill color inside it. Yes, do it properly and dark. Yes, all of you are doing or not? Yes, do it properly. Done? Yes. So here one strip is ready. Now which color we will use? Violet. So I am giving you 5 minutes. Complete all the strips and then we will do next step. Complete it in 5 minutes. Yes, done. So I hope all of you have completed till here. Now next step. Turn the page. Take page 16. Yes. So now what we have to do? We have to cut this duck and the lotus as per the given shape. So first of all, let us tear this page. Let us cut this full page. Okay. Yes. Now what we will do? We have to cut this duck and the lotus as per this line. So, start cutting it properly. Yes, cut it properly at this given line, okay? Yes, all of you are following me or not? Yes, very good. Do it properly. Yes. So look at this. Now the duck is ready. Yes or no? Yes. See? Is it ready now? Yes. Now what we have to do? We have to cut this lotus shape from here. So students, I am giving you 2 minutes. Cut this 2 lotus. Yes. So now 2 lotus and duck is ready. Now what we have to do? We have to paste it. So first of all, apply some glue over here properly, and then let us paste this sticker. Then press it properly. Now duck. What we have to do? Yes, apply some glue. And then let us paste this duck over here. Now again lotus is there. So paste it properly. Yes. So the picture is ready? No, it's not ready. Still what we have to do? We have to draw the eye of a duck. See, eye is not given. So let us draw your eyes with the help of black sketch pen. Still something is remaining. What is remaining? Water. What is the color of a water? Blue color. So what you will do? Take blue color crayon and color here. So it will look like a water, like this way. Yes, like this way. To blue color over here. And now it's time for homework section. So take page number 8 of your craft book. So this is page number 8. What we have to do here? You have to paste the stickers which are given in craft paper. What you will do? You will cut the squares, triangles, rectangle, whatever they have given here. You will cut that shapes and then you will paste it on this picture. But this picture of page number 8, you have to do it as your homework. Okay students? Yes, so that's all for today. Let us meet in our next class. Bye.